Question number first. Dash bacteria are predominant in drinking filter. Correct answer option C. Facultative. Facultative bacteria are predominant in drinking filter. Explanation. In drinking filter, facultative bacteria is predominant. In drinking filter, the biological film developed will have both aerobic and anaerobic layers. Aerobic layers will be at the surface whereas anaerobic layers will be deeper inside the film where O2 ion not penetrate. Facultative bacteria survive in both aerobic and anaerobic conditions. Thus, facultative bacteria are predominant. Question number 2. Carbonaceous matter oxidizing bacteria are. Right option A. Heterotrophs. Carbonaceous matter oxidizing bacteria are heterotrophs. Explanation. Nitrification bacteria are autotrophs and carbonaceous matters oxidizing bacteria are heterotrophs. They derive carbon from organic matter directly. Question number 3. Influent BOD has to be less than dash to initiate nitrification. Right option C, 30 milligram per liter. Influent BOD has to be less than 30 milligram per liter to initiate nitrification. Explanation. Influent BOD has to be less than 30 milligram per liter to initiate nitrification and BOD less than 15 milligram per liter indicates that nitrification has been completed. That is, nitrification BOD is also get removed. Question number 4. Purpose of providing balancing reservoir in a water supply distribution system is to. Right option D. Take care of fluctuation in the rate of consumptions. Explanation. Balancing reservoir is provided to meet the fluctuating demand with constant rate of supply. The storage capacity of balancing reservoir is worked out with the help of inflow and outflow by mass curve method. Question number 5. Sonoscope is used for which one of the following? Right option D. Detection of leakage in underground water mains. Sonoscope is used detection of leakage in underground water mains. Explanation. Sonoscope is an instrument. It is used to measure the detection of leakage in underground water pipes. Question number 6. Dioxin is released during which of the following process? Right option B. Incineration. Dioxin is released during incineration process. Explanation. In incineration process, large scale of air pollution due to emission of dioxins remains a serious problem. Question number 7. The major source of carbon monoxide is the urban atmosphere is due to. Right option C. Incomplete combustions. Explanation. Cheap sources of carbon monoxide in urban atmosphere is incomplete combustion of fuel, especially due to automobile exhaust. Question number 8. What is the maximum permissible threshold odor number for a domestic water supply source? Right option B 3. 3 number maximum permissible threshold odor number for domestic water supply source. Explanation. Permissible threshold number for drinking water is 1 to 3 as per GOI manual. GOI means Government of India manual. Question number 9. In orthodoline test, safe residual for drinking water is indicated by. Correct option A, yellow color. In orthodoline test, safe residual for drinking water is indicated by yellow color. Explanation. In orthodoline test, 10 milliliter of chlorinated water sample plus zero point 0.1 milliliter of orthodoline sample color found is noted after 5 minutes and color will be yellow bracket 3 plus combined chlorine bracket close. By comparing this color with color of known concentration, the amount of residue of obtained. Question number 10. The ultimate BOD value of waste. Right option C remains the same at all temperature. Explanation. The ultimate BOD is same whereas rate of BOD changes with the temperature. Question number 11. In which treatment unit Shamil is formed? Right option D. Slow sand filter. Slow sand filter treatment unit Stemodec is formed. Explanation. Shamuk deck layer is formed in slow sand filter. On this Shamuk deck layer bacteria decompose organic matter. Question number 12. Efficiency of sedimentation tank for a given discharge can be increased by. Right option C. Increase the surface area of tank. Explanation. Efficiency of sedimentation tank is independent of depth. Efficiency of sedimentation tank is depend on setting velocity, whereas setting velocity is given as formula Vs equal to Q upon B into L. Vs is depend on the plant area upon surface area. As surface area increases, Vs decreases and efficiency also increases. Question number 13. Biochemical oxygen demand is quoted at which temperature? Right option B 20 degrees Celsius. Biochemical oxygen demand is quoted at 20 degrees Celsius. Explanation. Generally biochemical oxygen demand is quoted at 20 degrees Celsius and measured at 5 days BOD. Question number 14. Acceptable outdoor noise level in urban residential areas. Right option A 35 to 45. Explanation. As per Government of India Manual, acceptable noise level is given as location and noise level dB. First one, rural area 25 to 35. Second, suburban 30 to 40. 3 number, urban residential 35 to 45. 4, residential and business urban 40 to 50. And last 5, city area 45 to 55. Question number 15. For water supplied to a medium towns, what is the daily variation factor? Right option A 1.5. For water supply to medium towns, 1.5 as the daily variation factor. Explanation. Maximum daily flow equal to 2 into average daily flow. Maximum hourly flow equal to 1.5 into maximum daily flow equal to 3 average daily flow. Minimum daily flow equal to 2/3 average daily flow. Minimum hourly flow equal to half minimum daily flow equal to 1/3 average daily flow. Question number 16. Which one of the following would contain water with the maximum amount of turbidity? Right option C. Rivers. Rivers is the contain water with the maximum amount of turbidity. Explanation. River during monsoon season having high suspended solids concentration in suspension. This causes high turbidity. Question number 17. Zero hardness of water is achieved by. Right option C. Ion exchanges method. Zero hardness of water is achieved by ion exchanges method. Explanation. Ion exchanges process is used for zero hardness of water. A variety of dissolved solid can be removed by ion exchanges method. For hardness removed, zeolite and synthetic resins are used. The removed process is based on high absorption capacity of calcium and magnesium ions compared to sodium ions. In this process, exchanges sites are utilized to remove hardness. When all the exchanges sites are utilized, hardness begins to appear in the effluent. This is called breakthrough and it necessitates the regeneration of the medium by contacting it with a strong sodium chloride solution. Question number 18. The maximum safe permissible limit of sulfates on domestic water supply is. Right option B 200 milligram per liter. The maximum safe permissible limit of sulfates on domestic water supply is 200 milligram per liter. Explanation. The safe maximum limits in domestic water supply are sulfates not less than 200 milligram per liter, chlorides not less than 250 milligram per liter, fluorides not less than 1.5 milligram per liter. Last one, nitrides not less than 45 milligram per liter.